A non-governmental organization, Center for 21st Century Issues, has held a workshop to empower women to understand climate finance and green funds and how to access loans to address climate change in Nigeria. Executive Director of the NGO at the workshop with the theme Climate Finance and the Green Climate Fund said the program was organized by the center in collaboration with both ends and Lagos government in Abuja.
Climate Fund is one fund that prioritizes women's issues. So from the outset, they said they want to ensure that the money reaches men and women equally, and they also want to address gender issues, and also that in every area of their projects, it must reflect an action plan that works for men and women. In most cases, we've always had people talk about gender, and when it comes to action, money is not allocated for it. This time around, money is going into it. And the Green Climate Fund insists that any of their projects, whatever they are doing, must reflect gender and women's issues and concerns. That's why it's a big deal for women.
Deputy Executive Director, Women Environmental Program said climate change had affected women, especially, and persons living with disabilities. Thus, the need to address the impact on them.
If climate finance can be accessed by women or countries, and then women groups access it from there to implement programs that will address climate change on them, that would be very nice. That is why the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change established some funds that will assist developing countries to address climate change impacts.
A representative of Lagos State Ministry of Environment and Water Resources said the state was currently working to develop a robust climate action plan.
Lagos State is currently working on developing a robust climate action plan that is evidence-based. So the state has conducted greenhouse gas emissions inventory with data. We've used adequate data to gather this information. Women, we definitely need to start taking a seat at the table. We are the future of the nation. Like we all know, train a woman and you train a nation, which we are doing with this workshop.
NGO focuses on poverty reduction by engaging with youth and women to promote environmental, social and economic justice as well as peace building.